welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like basically a skincare routine, but like get unready with me. I'm filming on my phone because my computer is going to explode if I edit another video on it. So now I have to do my videos on my phone on iMovie. So that's the vibe. To get started, I'm going to be using some cotton pads and this Micellar cleansing water. I've always used this if you've watched my past videos. This is a new one, and I got these because I was in a rush, but I actually want to buy some reusable ones. It's just better. I usually get two and like soak them and then just take everything and like my mascara off. Okay, now that I got all my makeup off, I'm gonna double cleanse with the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser for normal to dry skin. I actually feel like I've had more oily skin lately. I have like pretty combination skin, but I don't know, lately, like especially in the T-zone. So I think I'm gonna start like washing my face in the morning with the other cleanser. I have it in my room, but it's for oily skin, like normal to oily, so maybe that'll help kind of fix that. But I'm gonna cleanse with this right now. Okay, now that I've cleansed, I have a couple new products that I got recently in a package. So I did not buy them. I'm not being paid to promote them either. All opinions are my own. I'm just gonna be trying them out literally for the first time right now. So the first thing is this from Glow Recipe. It's a strawberry smooth. I know how to say this word. I'm gonna say it wrong, so I'm just gonna put it on the screen. But it's supposed to help clarify and retexturize the skin. So I think I'm gonna do this right now. And then I also was sent this product from CeraVe. It's an acne control gel. I wouldn't say that I really have strong acne. Sometimes my mom is like, I think you need to go to the dermatologist. And I'm like, I think it's fine. As you can see, I have like a breakout happening right now, which is very annoying. So I'm gonna use this and we're gonna see how it goes. But I think I'm gonna do this and then moisturize. So I'm gonna try that. I'm so excited about this. So it has like this. Okay. I'm gonna get one more pump. Okay. I like how that feels on my skin. It feels very nice and soothing. Doesn't really like feel too crazy or heavy. It like feels really light and it like already is in my skin. So I'm gonna try this. So it says to put like 1 to 3 layers on in a day. I'm only gonna do one. It says 1 if you're like new using it. It's supposed to help clear acne blemishes and allow skin to heal. So I'm gonna like dab it all in areas that I'm having some issues. It's also supposed to help minimize pores. So I might put some like here too, just because I've had a couple breakouts as well, and I have like kind of big pores. So I'm gonna just like put some on my finger and see what it does. Oh, okay, it's clear. I'm only gonna take a little bit because I don't know. I'm just gonna like tap it in. When I'm like putting it on, it doesn't really have like a smell. It has like something, but I can't really describe it because it's not like super strong. It's not like good or anything. So that's that. We'll see how this goes. I don't really like have an order for the things that I do sometimes like this. I just kind of like randomly roll my face face a little bit because it's like on my desk. So sometimes I'll do it like during the day, randomly. Now I'm gonna put on some eye cream. I usually just like put dots below my eye, on my eyelid, and a little bit above my eyebrow just because sometimes I get really dry skin there, and then I dab it in. Okay, the last thing I do is I use this CeraVe Daily Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, and it's also for normal to dry skin. I use this every day, morning, night, and before I do my makeup. So I usually just take like a pump of this all over my face, and then while I'm putting it on, I kind of like try to do like facial massages like people would use a blush off for, and kind of like highlight like my cheekbone, and I like put pressure a couple times here. That's mainly what I do, is like here and here. So that's what you're gonna see me doing in the time lapse. That is all I do when I'm getting ready at night and doing my skincare. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'm gonna have all the products that I used listed down below, and a link with Amazon affiliate links. And so if you want to get any of them, you can. Follow me on my other social media accounts and platforms so I can update you guys on this. But yeah, thank you for watching.